So my name is Mark Trezise. I'm turning 20 in a couple of days and I'm from Melbourne, Australia. My e-commerce journey before starting with Andy was daunting, to say the least. Messy. I think I say that every time, but messy. There are no other ways to put it except for just chaotic. Tens of different strategies just doesn't work because of the way, that Facebook ads and things like that work. So chaotic. My problem was definitely just an overwhelming sense of self-doubt and lack of confidence with knowing what I'm doing with this business. I chose to work with Andy because of his just personal connection that he has with people, and definitely the transparency he has not only on his own social media networks, but personally talking to him is just it's an experience. What exactly did I like most about Andy's program? The course content, the way it's laid out, how different it is from everything else. There is multiple variations of certain parts of the program. So because everyone's journey is different, the course content is super helpful, because if one video doesn't match your current situation, another video does, and it solves your problem. What is my e-commerce journey like now that I've worked with Andy? Absolutely outstanding, hitting over 6 figures now, and just the freedom that I have, and I love the work that I'm doing, and I just love running this business. I'm super passionate about it now. I finally found something that I love doing. I can go out and do stuff with friends and family. I can enjoy my time without stressing. It's the best. I love it. So what results have I gotten from Andy's help? I'm over 6 figures now. It's been 4 months, about 30 to 40k profit. That was my yearly wage, not even a year ago. Just insane, through the roof. So how long did it take to get my first sale and consistent sales? First week, I actually was getting a couple of sales with product testing, because I went pretty all in. I tested 14 products. 2 weeks into the program, found my first winning product and hit 17k for the first month. And ever since then, it's only gone up, plus consistency. So I'm pretty happy with that. If I was to recommend Andy Meyer's program to a best friend, I would simply just say, you got to do it. Get out of your comfort zone for sure. Definitely just invest in yourself, because it's the best investment that you'll ever do. My concern was, it was like a 50-50 chance. It was either going to be make it or break it. Is this program going to be the same as the others, and I'm going to be still left alone with no confidence? Or is this going to be the program that actually gets me to where I want to be? And what actually did put my fears to rest was, first of all, the one-on-one call that you get for free when you actually book in to talk about the program. It's not like you try and sell it or anything. You just offer what you've got, and you say, this is what the course is. And if you want to join, that's your choice. And that personal connection with you, it's talking to a genuine person, is what really put my fears to rest. So what differs Andy Meyer's program from any other course? First of all, the involvement with the other people in the course. You get to talk and communicate and relate to other students, help each other, ask questions, send results, all that sort of stuff. The biggest thing that differs it is the layout of the course content, the variation of videos. If one video doesn't match your current situation, another video does. Super helpful with Facebook ads too. Everyone gets different results, and there's a video for every different situation. Not only have I learned and experienced so much with business, I have able to develop myself as a person and learn a lot about myself that I didn't know before, with handling different situations, handling, roadblocks for sure. I used to be someone that gives up pretty easily. I'll be honest about that. And now it's just, I see a straight line and I will follow it until the end, until I get what I want to get.